Making public speaking inclusive and accessible. Hello learners, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we're focusing on an important aspect of preparing for public speaking and presentations, understanding your audience. We're going to delve into a crucial part of this understanding, adapting to audience diversity. Specifically, we'll discuss how to make your presentations inclusive and accessible for everyone. In the context of public speaking, inclusivity means ensuring that your presentation respects and acknowledges the diverse experiences and perspectives of your audience. Accessibility, on the other hand, means making sure that your presentation can be understood by everyone, regardless of any physical or cognitive differences. In short, you need to be sure that all members of your audience feel valued and are able to comprehend your presentation fully. When it comes to inclusivity, consider the cultural, social, and personal backgrounds of your audience. Try to avoid jargon, idioms, or references that might not be understood by everyone. Ensure that your presentation doesn't marginalize any group. Avoid assumptions and stereotypes about people based on their gender, race, age, nationality, etc. Always use inclusive language. Examples of inclusive language are using they as a singular pronoun when the gender of a person is unknown, or using humankind instead of mankind. To make your presentation accessible, consider varying learning styles and physical abilities. For those with hearing impairments, make sure to articulate clearly, and consider using a microphone or providing transcripts of your speech. For visual impairments, offer detailed verbal descriptions of your visual aids. Also, try to structure your content logically, and use simple, clear language for those with cognitive differences. Remember, the aim is to deliver your message in a way that everyone can comprehend and appreciate. Inclusivity and accessibility should be at the heart of every presentation you give. By being mindful of these aspects, you'll create presentations that respect and reach all members of your diverse audience. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember, the power of communication lies in understanding the other. That's it for today's lesson. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more tips on public speaking and presentations. Happy learning!